You've got it, you want it to grow, but where do you put it? Specifically, have you been eyeing Viobank and wondering, is Viobank actually good for savings, or is it just another online bank with flashy ads? Because let's be real, there's a lot of noise out there, and finding a safe haven for your hard-earned cash feels like navigating a financial jungle. We're all looking for that sweet spot, decent interest rates, easy access, and, most importantly, security. You don't want your savings tied up in some complicated scheme or left vulnerable to hidden fees. So, let's cut through the marketing fluff and get down to brass tacks. First off, what is Viobank? It's an online-only bank, meaning no physical branches. This can be a huge plus for those who prefer the convenience of managing their money from their phone or computer. But it also raises questions. Is it legit? Is it secure? One of the biggest draws of Viobank is their high-yield savings account. They often boast competitive interest rates, sometimes significantly higher than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. This is where the good for savings part really comes into play. If you're looking to maximize your returns, those higher rates can make a substantial difference over time. But, and this is a big but, interest rates fluctuate. What's high today might not be high tomorrow. So, it's crucial to compare Vio's rates with other online banks and even some credit unions to see where they stack up. Don't just take their word for it. Do your homework. Now, let's talk about security. Being an online bank, security is paramount. Viobank is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. That's a huge peace of mind. But you still need to be vigilant. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and keeping your software updated are non-negotiable. Accessibility is another critical factor. How easy is it to deposit and withdraw your money? Vio offers online transfers, but the speed and limitations can vary. Check their policies on transfer times and any potential fees. You don't want to be caught in a bind when you need your funds quickly. And what about customer service? When things go wrong, and they inevitably do sometimes, you need to know you can reach a real person. Online-only banks can sometimes struggle with customer service. Look into Vio's customer support options, read reviews, and see how responsive they are. A bank with great rates but terrible customer service isn't worth the hassle. Another aspect to consider is the simplicity of the platform. Is it user-friendly? Can you easily navigate your account, track your savings, and manage transactions? A clunky interface can turn a potentially good savings experience into a frustrating one. Finally, consider your long-term savings goals. Are you saving for a down payment, retirement, or just building an emergency fund? Viobank's high-yield savings account might be ideal for short to medium-term goals. But for long-term investments, you might want to explore other options like CDs or brokerage accounts. So, is Viobank good for savings? The answer, as with most financial questions, is it depends. If you prioritize high-yield savings, are comfortable with online banking, and value FDIC insurance, then Viobank could be a solid choice. But always do your research, compare rates, and consider your specific financial needs. Don't let flashy marketing sway you. Make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.